Hey Sean, what's going on?
Doing some science.
Doing some science testing? What are you trying to test?
How much power does the batteries have?
Okay. And that's a 9 volt, so it has to go on 9 volt here, this one, okay? It has to go on 9. What are you making now? 9 point?
9.
So meaning it's good or bad?
8.
Meaning it's a good battery?
I know that.
Yeah, good job.
$1.4.
Good job. It's making good battery.
1.5.
Yeah, that's the best one. One point five.
1.4.
5. Yeah, that's okay. Okay.
1.4.
Good job.
A few more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So we have 4 and 5 more batteries to test.
1.4.
Okay.
4 more. But now 3 more. 1.4.
Mm-hmm.
$1.4.
Good job.
2 more.
Mm-hmm.
$1.4.
Good job.
1 more then done. Dad, this is kind of fun. 1.4.
I have a question for you.
What?
Try again one more time.
What?
I'll ask you a question. Test the one battery.
What?
Test one more battery, then I'll ask a question.
Where?
Just anyone.
I guess.
Pick a battery and... Okay, that's one. No. When you test it, I have a question. I'll ask you a question, okay?
Okay.
Over here, why you see minus here?
I don't know.
Because the black is negative and this is positive. So black should go on the negative side here. Black should go on the negative, not try. If you will go here, black, then it will become positive. Okay, try.
If I'll go here red and here black.
It's going to give you negative, see? If you change it, now it will give you positive. See?
1.5.
So negative is gone, okay? Good job, high five. How many battery we tested today?
Let me count.
Count.
Wait. Let me make it 2 of 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Wait, I would start over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
17. Good job. So out of 17, we have 3 different types of batteries, right? These small ones are 1.5 volt, and this is 9 volt. This is what?
9 volt.
9 volt, and
This is 1.5.
That's 1.5 volt.
And 1.4.
Right, and this is 9 volt.
1.4.
Yeah, but it's all 1.5 volt batteries. It's all good battery. High five. Good job, guys. Good job. Proud of you.
Yes!